Here our question is solve pxy plus pq plus qy equal to yz by Charpit's method. Here f of, this is of the form f of x by z pq equal to 0. Here f of x by z p comma q equal to pxy plus pq plus qy minus yz. We have to do it by Charpit's method. So we have to find dou f by dou x, dou f by dou y, dou f by dou p, dou f by dou q and dou f by dou z. Dou f by dou x is partial derivative of f with respect to x is py, then no other x, then py. Then dou f by dou y is partial derivative of f with respect to y is px plus from here plus q from here minus z. Then dou f by dou z. Dou f by dou z is only in this term, therefore minus y. Then dou f by dou p. Dou f by dou p is xy plus q. Xy plus q. Then dou f by dou q is p plus y. Now we have to write Charpit's auxiliary equation or auxiliary equation, which is a lengthy formula, which is dx by minus dou f by dou p equal to dy by minus dou f by dou q equal to dz by minus p dou f by dou p minus q dou f by dou q equal to dp by dou f by dou x plus p dou f by dou z equal to dq by dou f by dou y plus q dou f by dou z equal to d phi by 0. Then put all these values in this formula. We get dx by minus dou f by dou p is minus x by minus q. Then dy by minus dou f by dou q is minus p minus y equal to dz by minus p dou f by dou p. Dou f by dou p is this minus p into, therefore minus x by p minus p q minus q into dou f by dou q minus q into dou f by dou q is p plus y equal to dp by dou f by dou x is py plus p into dou f by dou z is minus y equal to dq by dou f by dou y is px plus q minus z minus q into dou f by dou z is minus y, thus plus qy equal to d phi by 0. Here this py and minus py term will be get cancelled. Therefore here we get dp by 0. dp by 0 is in the form here we get dp by 0. Therefore we have to take dp equal to 0. Here one term is dp by 0. From this we have to write dp equal to 0. Integrating both sides, we get integral dp equal to integral 0, which implies integral of dp is p equal to integral of 0 is a constant which is taken as a. Here we get a equal to p. Then Here we obtained P equal to A. Put this equation as equation number 1 in the question. Put P equal to A in equation 1. Put P equal to A in equation 1. Equation 1 becomes, put P equal to A. AXY plus AQ plus QY equal to YZ. From this we have to find the Q. That is QY equal to YZ minus AXY minus AQ. Therefore Q is here, two Q terms are here. Here QY plus AQ equal to YZ minus AXY. Q can be taken outside. Q into Y plus A equal to Y into Z minus AX. From this Q equal to Y into Z minus AX by Y plus A. Here we obtained P equal to A and Q equal to Y into Z minus AX by Y plus A. Then our required solution is of the form. Required solution can be obtained by using the formula dz equal to P dx plus Q dy. Dz equal to, here P is A dx plus Q is Y into Z minus AX by Y plus A dy. This A dx can be taken to left side. Dz minus A dx equal to Y into Z minus AX by Y plus A dy. It can be written as dz minus A dx by, this Z minus AX can be taken to this Z minus AX equal to Y by Y plus A dy. Integrating both sides, we get integral dz minus A dx by Z minus AX equal to integral Y by Y plus A dy. Here put Z minus AX as T. Z minus AX as T. Then dz minus A dx equal to dt. This integral term becomes integral dz minus A dx is dt. Z minus AX is T. Integral dt by T is log T. Log T, which is log T is Z minus AX. Integral of this term is log Z minus AX. Log Z minus AX equal to integral of, for integrating this, we have to write y as y plus a minus a. Y plus a minus e by y plus a dy. Then this y plus a can be put in a bracket. We get a log Z minus AX equal to integral y plus a by y plus a 1 minus next term a by y plus a dy. Integral of 1 dy is y minus integral of a by y plus a dy is log y plus a. Log y plus a. Plus a constant must be here plus b. Because a is here, therefore constant must be b. We obtained as log z minus ax equal to y minus log y plus a plus b, which is our required solution. Here we use Star-Pitts method. Okay.